and welcome to KYE Interactive. Well, I am Kedar Bhoye, a marketing habits expert, and today I'm going to host this awesome platform, the wonderful interview of a very, very interesting entrepreneur who we have here today on this platform. Well, on this digital platform, we have spoken to people who have dreamed big, followed their dreams and passion rather than choosing a 9 to 5 job. Okay, people who choose to do something different, perhaps something more meaningful, more impactful than having just a job security. And we have a wonderful guest today who hails from Gwalior. She is in the food and beverage industry since 2017, and her company name is Instant Rasoi Private Limited. She has been a homemaker till the age of 39, and that is when she started her own passion. She loves experimenting with food, and that's how she created her company, which is called as Instant Foods. Well, this company, if I would love to tell you that, it has grown so fast and so well that the US State Department, in association with Thai Global, actually selected her amongst the top 3 women entrepreneurs from India. Isn't it amazing? I think I am excited, to learn more about her. And just one more thing I came to know about her is she was a contestant at KBC कौन बनेगा करोड़पति अमिताभ बच्चन जी के साथ across the seat बैठ के बातें की है, and she has also given him her instant rasoi food, and she got an appreciation letter from the Amitabh Bachchan. Whoa, I mean, this is mind-blowing. I'm gonna really enjoy this super duper interview with our very own Shraddha Khare. Welcome, Shraddha.
Hi. So thank you so much for honoring me by calling me to KYE, and I'm overwhelmed to be here because the way you have introduced me to the entire world, it's amazing, and thank you so much for bringing me here.
Oh, wonderful. I mean, Shraddha, you deserve all that applause. You have done something wonderful. We love getting people here who are able to dream big and follow their passion. So we would love to hear from you, your story, how things have happened in your life. So, you know what? A lot of times we have realized, entrepreneurs ko visibility nahi milte, koi pat on the back nahi milte, because they are the top of the game. So this is one platform where we would love to hear from you. The first thing that I want to ask you is, what was your motivation? I mean, what got you started to being an entrepreneur?
Like I professionally, I'm an MBA, but then soon after my marriage, all that, was literally of no relevance because I did not work anywhere. So slowly the knowledge what I acquired in all these years while studying, it just slipped from my hands. So then suddenly after my second daughter was born in 2014, I decided that things were quite monotonous, and what example am I setting in front of my daughters, so that was the trigger point for me to think about instant rasoi, and that's how I kept visualizing about how my company should be, what product should I be making, because as you said that I love experimenting with food. So this is how the idea clicked. Like while people travel, they face a lot of problem getting Indian food when they travel abroad, and most of the countries serve non-vegetarian food. So many Indians, like even when I went to US during my entrepreneurial journey, I faced a lot of problem. Like everywhere it was like a non-vegetarian food, and where it was a vegan food also, so it was very bland, no salt, no seasonings. So I was like, how do I manage all this? So prior to that, I started, like my daughter, elder one, Vasundhara, she's very foodie. So I used to, make certain instant halwas, instant upmas for her. So that was the point when I decided that if I can do it for my daughter or my family, why don't I do it for all the Indians who are traveling? Because food is a basic need, right? So that's how instant rasoi came into being.
Oh, wow, that's very interesting. So it was your daughter who triggered this for you, and
Yeah.
I think yeah. So I think kudos to your daughter. And
Yeah.
at the same time, I would love to also ask you, okay, what exactly is instant rasoi? Can you just throw some light on exactly what instant rasoi does?
See, instant, as we say, is, you know, having something instantly. Yeah. So instant rasoi was have your own rasoi anywhere. You know, you should have ab ghar ka khana all around the globe. That's my punchline. So instant is like quickly you can, you know, make it anywhere. And rasoi is हमारे tradition में रसोई हम सुनते आ रहे हैं सदियों से कि रसोई का खाना, रसोई में ये हो रहा है. So that's how Instant Rasoi came into my mind. And I registered my company by the name of Instant Rasoi. Then we got it registered under Startup India. Then we were like amongst the few people initially when the Startup India campaign began. So I was like from the topmost genre of say Startup India. And it was an honor to be part of Startup India, so that, you know, I got to connect with so many people. That's how I got connected with Thai Global. And then Thai Global happened. I took many sessions under them because I was a raw entrepreneur. See,
Wow.
I was a housewife for all these years, so I had no idea as to what a business plan is. I knew what products I want to sell, what products I want to make, but then I had no idea as to what a business plan should be, how we should be approaching our clients. So very good things happened with me. Thai Global happened with me. Then there was one airspace project. It was All India Roadshow for Women Entrepreneurs. So that in association with US State Department, it was a 2-year long program. So I was part of it, and we were scrutinized, and we were given a lot of projects. We did elevator pitches, and we learned so many things. And you know, an entrepreneur should know. So that's how it was a skill development kind of thing. And then in 2019, the final day was there, and on 23rd September 2019, I was selected as one of the top 3 women entrepreneurs amongst 575 women entrepreneurs who had applied there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it was, yeah, thank you so much. So it was memorable and a lovely experience, and that was a turning point in my career. And before that, you know, I had approached Yatra Private Limited. That's a portal wherein we book our holiday packages. So I approached them. I was very fortunate to get in touch with Mayur Oberoi and Ravish Khullar, and I, you know, sent them the samples of Instant Rasoi. Went to Gurgaon, their office, and made people, you know, taste what Instant Rasoi products had to offer. And they liked the products, and then they gave me an opportunity to give them free samples. So I gave somewhere around 3,000 free samples to their customers. So that was a huge investment for a startup. And since I'm a single parent, so it was even more challenging for me, you know, taking care of 2 daughters and to take care of Instant Rasoi as well, because that's my 3rd child, as I always tell people. So I have 3 children.
So that's hats off to you for the way you've been handling all the 3 children. That's amazing.
Yeah. So I'm a mom of 3 kids.
Wow.
So that was a challenge to, you know, fulfill those 3,000 complimentary packets for Yatra. So I needed funds. So it was like either I borrow from my parents or my brother. So, but then I never wanted to be a burden on anybody. So I started Instant Rasoi's Cloud Kitchen.
Oh.
So it was a new concept. So I started it in Gwalior, and that slowly started generating revenue. So that money, you know, helped me buy raw material for Yatra. Why I'm sharing this story with everyone is that we should never feel that, you know, paucity of funds or resources should ever hamper our dreams. So, that kitchen started generating revenue. I started buying raw material for that Yatra complimentary packets. And then, soon Yatra thing happened. I did the commitment. And after fulfilling that commitment, we signed the MOU with Yatra, and we are the official food partners to Yatra Private Limited. So that's a big thing for a startup, right? Like I'm associated with a brand.
I mean, Shraddha, I really appreciate what you just said. He challenge aaya. There was this big task which you needed to complete, where 25,000 packets के लिए पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? And
exactly.
This is where I love Tony Robbins की एक बहुत powerful statement है. वो कहते हैं कि what, पैसा या प्लांट मशीनरी ये सब रिसोर्सेस है, और रिसोर्सेस कभी चैलेंज नहीं होते. रिसोर्सफुल माइंडसेट ना होना इज अ चैलेंज.
Exactly.
You have that super resourceful mindset. I love that attitude. So I am all in for listening more. So Shraddha, can you tell me, is there right now this journey which is just it has just begun, and there are various things which you're achieving. So I mean, is there some sense of accomplishments? कौन से factors make you feel, yeah, okay, this is something that I've at least यहाँ पे कुछ accomplishment हुई है?
See, सबसे पहले तो like getting this Yatra's MOU, that I'll be their official food partner, that enthused me with a lot of energy. एक positivity आई life में कि नहीं यार, अब now we are associated with the brand, and we have a particular way to grow and go about. And with that venture happening, like people from all across the country knew what instant rasoi was, what its products were. Because see, for a startup, it's very difficult to get, and I'm totally bootstrapped. I have not taken any funds from any startup from any angel investor or anybody. So and neither do I want to take it right now, because I don't want to hamper my creativity. Because once you get into that cycle, then it's like pressure on your head, and you can't think how creatively I'm thinking right now. I create like I have created instant pav bhaji, then I have created instant sabudana khichdi. So various things which I can think out of box right now. It won't be possible if I have a loan on my head, or somebody always telling me kitna ROI hai, kitna paisa aaya, इस महीने आपने कितना किया. So my idea is to go slow. I know, but उसमें फायदा ये रहता है कि मैं creatively सोच पा रही हूँ, and I'm able to deliver, do things which I really want to do, right? So coming to that, I was speaking to you about my US State Department thing. So in December to January 2019 to 2020, I went to US, California, and I was mentored by Mr. Mani Krishnan. He owns Bonds Forever, Sashta Foods. So I learned many things from him, right from the business plan, or how you should be thinking, and how we can think out of the box. So while conversing with him during those days, I realized that there are so many things which the US market doesn't have, Indian products. So I used to keep jotting as to acha ye bhi ho sakta hai, ye bhi ho sakta hai. And I used to keep telling him, can we make something like instant masala for your dosa? So how can you make that? Maine kaha, I'll make it. I'll try doing that. Then I told him that I'll also make some types of chutneys, because South Indians, they they eat very healthy stuff, and they eat a lot of chutneys. They are made with red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and using various dals, rich in protein and low in calories. So I was like, वो बनाना क्या होता है, बड़ा tedious काम होता है. दाल भिगो, उसको पीसो, भूनो, then so many things. So I was like, let me create certain things for them, जो कि हर इंडियन के लिए या कोई भी नेशनैलिटी का हो, उसके लिए बड़ा इजी हो जाए, और मतलब वो प्रिजर्वेटिव से भरा हुआ खाना ना खाए, हेल्दी खाना खाए. So when I came back to India, I started experimenting with what all I promised Mr. Mani Krishnan. And I was very fortunate that the next month he was coming to India, and I, he has his office in Chennai also. So I sent him those samples, and they all appreciated the samples. They liked the samples, and that was the first international order that I got from them. And I'll tell you the time when I got it, when the entire country was under the lockdown. My company was working, so people associated with me they were so happy कि दीदी सबके काम तो रुके हुए हैं and we are working, you know, हमारे पास पैसा आ रहा है. So they were very happy because कितने सारे लोगों का employment गया उस समय. People literally had no source of earning their bread and butter. So I was very fortunate to get that order, the first international order, and I owe a big thanks to Mr. Krishnan for giving me that order and, you know, trusting a newcomer like me. And we made various things for them. We made three flavors in their dosa filling, for their dosa fillings. Then we made sambars, various types of chutneys for them. And that's how my journey towards the international market began. And with Mr. Mani Krishnan's reference, I got one more company from California, then one company from New Zealand. So this is how I'm taking the baby steps and, you know, taking my company ahead.
Wow. So, this is beautiful. I think, you know, I'm loving the journey where you have taken small steps. Kafi learnings mujhe mil rahi hai right now when you're saying, you know what, bootstrap your own venture, unnecessary बड़ा सा लोन लेके creativity को kill मत करो. जो भी mentors है उनसे चीजें सीखो, जो सीखे उन्हें implement करो, उनका guidance लो, एक से दूसरी से तीसरी. This is phenomenal learning. Shraddha, thank you so much for adding all of these pointers here. But at this moment, I would love to ask you, you know, any major obstacle that you face ki, oh my God, ab kya kar sakte hain? And then, you know, how did you overcome that? What was the biggest obstacle that you faced? Because I'm sure, you know, jo aapka ye interview sun rahe, wo aapse seekhna zarur chahenge. So go on and please share.
बड़ी चीजी सी लाइन है. I heard it, you know, one of the Mehta serial, that Harshad Mehta, वो इश्क है तो रिस्क है टाइप कुछ था ना.
Right.
So entrepreneurs जो होते हैं ना, उनकी जर्नी इज लाइक इट्स वेरी रिस्की, फुल ऑफ चैलेंजेस. लाइक रात में हम सोते हैं और अगले दिन जब उठते हैं तो पता नहीं होता है कि क्या नया बॉम्ब फूटने वाला है. So same things, you know, keep happening with me. So when the second wave hit, okay, corona वाला, तो बहुत चैलेंजिंग हुआ क्योंकि काम पूरी तरीके से रुक गया था, राइट. क्योंकि यात्रा का काम बंद, बिकॉज ट्रैवल्स बिल्कुल खत्म हो गए थे, रुक गए थे. तो जब लोग ट्रैवल ही नहीं करेंगे तो मैं खाना किसको भेजूंगी, ओके. Then international orders were badly hit because their supply chain was badly hit. उनके containers जो 30 days में या 45 days में पहुंच रहे थे, वो अब 90 दिन से भी ज्यादा ले रहे हैं, you know, वहां पहुंचने में, US पहुंचने में या न्यूजीलैंड पहुंचने में. तो ये चैलेंज था. और उससे क्या हो रहा था, कॉस्ट, लैंडिंग कॉस्ट बढ़ रही है उन कंट्रीज में. जो सामान मान लीजिए हम X रुपए में उनको दे रहे हैं, तो वो बढ़ते बढ़ते 2x हो जा रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द इंक्रीज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट. फिर इट्स बिकमिंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर, यू नो, पीपल देयर टू सेल द प्रोडक्ट्स, क्योंकि फिर वो लोग अपने स्टोर्स को भी मार्जिन देंगे, तो कस्टमर्स कैसे खरीदेंगे इतने महंगे प्राइस पे. तो दैट इंटरनेशनल थिंग वाज आल्सो हिट. तो नाउ द चैलेंज वाज कि भाई ब्रेड एंड बटर तो चलाना ही है, राइट, किसी भी कंपनी का. एंड व्हेन यू हैव अ कंपनी यू हैव गॉट सो मेनी ऑब्लिगेशंस. आपको टाइमली इनकम टैक्स भरना होता है, टाइमली जीएसटी का काम करना होता है, और इतने सारे फाइलिंग करने पड़ते हैं. यू हैव टू पे अ हेफ्टी अमाउंट टू योर सीए आल्सो, राइट. तो अब ये सब पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? यू हैव टू मैनेज एवरीथिंग. सो दैट्स हाउ आई थॉट कि अभी क्या करें, इंटरनेशनल भी हिट है, ट्रैवल सेक्टर भी हिट हो गया है, क्या करा जाए. देन और उस समय जो किचन था वो भी बंद हो चुका था, बिकॉज किचन में भी मतलब गवर्नमेंट के रेस्ट्रिक्शंस थे. सो नो रेस्टोरेंट्स वर ऑपरेटिंग दैट टाइम. सो इट वाज लिटरली ऐसा सिचुएशन कि क्या किया जाए. सो दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन आई थॉट कि ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग बैटर्स, यू नो. तो यहाँ पे जो लोकल स्टोर्स थे, क्योंकि स्टोर से तो सामान बिक ही रहा था, ग्रोसरी बिक ही रही थी, Then I started doing instant coconut chutneys, then instant sambars and batters, those idli batters. And we started, supplying in all the stores. So revenue started generating. मतलब वहां से पैसा आना शुरू हुआ. तो challenges बहुत आते हैं लाइफ में, आते रहते हैं. बट कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता खुलता रहता है. हमको अपना विजन वैसा रखना चाहिए कि अगर एक रास्ता बंद हुआ तो चलो कम ऑन लेट्स थिंक अबाउट समथिंग एल्स. और कई बार ऐसा होता है जब हम कुछ बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं, हमारा बहुत सारा समय सिर्फ सोचने में चला जाता है, राइट? अगर हम डिजाइन कर रहे हैं तो हम डिजाइन में ही सोचते जाएंगे. तो मैंने ये सीखा कि बहुत ज्यादा सोचने से भी जो होता है ना, काम स्टार्ट नहीं हो पाता है. when you have something in your mind और आपको लग रहा है it's going to click, आपका instinct बोलता है कि नहीं ये चलेगा, तो that's just the time when you should start moving ahead and start doing those things. So this is how I have believed, trusted my instinct, and this is how I am doing instant rasoi in various directions. Locally I am doing the batters, then nationally I am doing it with this travel company, then internationally I am doing with these clients. And with this KBC thing happening, people really liked how I have grown when they heard my story. So I've got more than 500 mails from all across the country and all across the world, and the people want to associate with Instant Rasoi now. So I'm really very thankful to all of them for trusting me, for giving me this support. And I'm very hopeful that in the coming times, we are going to do really great in our country as well as globally.
Wow, superb. That's amazing, Shraddha. So Shraddha, right now you came up with those batters, which was the way out when there was a challenge phase. And I love this thought process जो आप बता रहे हो कि जब एक problem आती है तो आप you can find out multiple options. अपने दिमाग से creative ideas निकालिए, आपका दिमाग answer दे देगा आपको. So that is what Shraddha, and the belief that you have in your own self. Super awesome, Shraddha. So I am right now taking so much of info from you, which is helping everybody who's listening to this interview. So let me ask you one thing, where do you see, this venture going down up to next 5 years, how, and whatever the target is, how do you think you will be able to achieve that? Like 5 साल में कहाँ और कैसे?
जैसे अभी तक I was very conservative कि बस थोड़े markets को ही reach करना है. But now the time has come, जब मैंने products जो है market में test run कर लिए हैं, I have got its report कि कौन सा product is widely accepted, कौन सा product है जो कि लोगों को accept नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, because see they can't love all the products I have made, right? तो अब मुझे समझ में आ गया है कि कौन सी चीजें अच्छी हैं, कौन सी चीजें उनको अच्छी लग रही हैं, या कौन सी चीजों में चेंजेस करने की जरूरत है. So this is the time, and I've got various leads from all across the country and internationally, जिसको I'm going to work. I've already started working on them. So I have thought of appointing distributors all across the country now. And then internationally, apart from US is always there and New Zealand is there. Now I want to explore the European market, the Canadian market. So that's the way out. And 5 years is, I would say, not a very long time now, because we've got so many things to do in these times, because I will have to upgrade my machinery. Then I need to expand my production cycles, because right now it's a miniature instant rasoi. So we want to make it a grand global instant rasoi. So a lot of homework needs to be done, and I think we are on the right track. So this is how I see that instant rasoi should be globally visible to everyone all across the globe. And nationally also, we should be seeing instant rasoi products all across the states in India.
क्या बात है, superb.
And
yeah, go on.
My idea is there are various females, who really want to do something. And with your platform, I would like to, convey them that please don't get disheartened कि पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास में तो मैं कैसे काम करूंगी. My model is now that I want to engage every female, every woman, and I want them to become entrepreneurs. And I want that we start in a small way. तो मैंने ये आइडिया सोचा है कि हर एक शहर में I'll appoint one female, and she will be Instant Rasoi's say co-partner, and we will start with the small amounts, like maybe 100 packets per product, and then they can start their own network in the stores or the way they want, and then they can also become an entrepreneur, and we can have so many new Shraddhas coming on the way, and I'm so happy to welcome all the females on board.
I love the whole attitude that you have. The approach is beautiful. Obviously, you have a vision ki itna bada jana, itni countries, itna ye. But at the same time, you know what, you want to empower the women of our country.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's amazing, Shraddha. That's a
because I have seen my journey. Like I had completely lost my confidence when I was a housewife, and there were so many things happening in my house. So that was the time, I used to feel so this thing that I'm, good for nothing now. I'm just a mother now, and so many rejections in life I had faced. So when I, at the age of 39, that time could take things under my control with 2 daughters in my hands, taking care of them. So everybody can, do anything. Just that trust yourself, trust God, and trust me, everything will fall in place. And in the journey, like my brother Siddharth, he has been very helpful, and my bhabhi. So my family has been very supportive, when something wrong happens at a girl's house. So parents usually they say ki nahi abhi tumhari shaadi ho gayi, you remain there. But I had, such beautiful people on my side, my parents, my brother, my sister-in-law, and my children. So everybody, supported me. So I'm sure everybody who aspires to be an entrepreneur has some set of people who are always by their side. So unki strength humko use karni chahiye, unki motivation ko use karte hue we should, yes, march ahead, and success is surely going to happen.
Kya baat hai? That's amazing. I mean, this was so well put, so well summarized. In fact, I was going to ask you any specific things that you would love to give as a learning, but I think this is a powerful inspiration. Ki come what may, there are people around you who will support you if you are on the right path, if you believe. And
absolutely,
as you rightly said, there was a point where you were down and out, but you created your own identity, and that's powerful, Shraddha. So salute what you're doing. Continue doing this. Keep going ahead on this beautiful journey. Keep sharing what you have been doing. Just before we close, one word or one statement that you would love to leave back here, so that everybody who's watched this amazing, powerful interview. एक चीज आपकी तरफ से, एक takeaway, last takeaway.
My takeaway is, if you have thought of something, just do it. Just don't keep thinking about it. बहुत ज्यादा सोचने से चीजें खराब होती हैं. तो अगर मन में कुछ आया है तो उसको हमको एक्चुएट करना चाहिए. Just don't keep thinking, start working, and you can do it.
Wow, I love that. You know what? Just do it. Socho mat, instantly usko apply karo. Go ahead and take action. I think that's the key to success. You have already seen what Shraddha has been able to do for herself, her family, and she has made all of us proud by doing something so wonderful. So I'm really happy that you came here, Shraddha, and you had the time to just share these few moments with us. So thank you so much for coming here on this KY platform, sharing your story with all of us. And
thanks to you for giving me this opportunity so that I could connect with many of the entrepreneurs here, and I'm sure I'm going to learn so many things from you all, and always be by my side. I need you all.
Absolutely. We are there by the sides, along with all the entrepreneurs whom we, love to support, because Know Your Entrepreneur is one platform where we want to, inspire entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship is something that is not very popular in India. We've had a lot of entrepreneurs, but it's not encouraged. But the time is changing, and people like you are stepping up, inspiring people from a non-business background to take up these ventures and create landmark results. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ दिक्कतें ही आएगी, तकलीफ होगी, वो तो आने वाली है, लेकिन you go ahead the way Shraddha said, just do it. ज़्यादा सोचने मत बैठो. I think that's the takeaway that I have from here. So thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and KY wishes you all the best for all your future endeavors. Wishing you a lot of success, amazing good luck, and may the power be with you. So thank you so much. Shraddha.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.